Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the drum lampshade set of 2. Perfect for enhancing your table lamps, bedside lamps, or floor lamps with a touch of elegance and functionality. These lampshades feature a top and bottom diameter of 13 inches and a height of 10 inches, so make sure to check your light fixtures for compatibility before purchasing. Designed with a spider fitter, these shades require a harp support, ensuring a secure fit and a stylish look for your lamps. Crafted from natural linen fabric, these shades soften the light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere while the solid metal frame ensures durability for years to come. Assembly is a breeze, as the lampshades are rolled up for protection during shipping and can be easily set up in under a minute by attaching them to the metal rings with clips. We take pride in our high-quality products and offer a 1-year warranty, so if you're not completely satisfied, our dedicated customer service team is here to make things right. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.